Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off ignore repeated touches function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. We have our options, our function enabled, and we want to turn it off. And where to find it? So, settings, then accessibility, next interaction and dexterity, and we are looking for our, here it is, ignore repeated touches. As you can see, we have set up 0.5 seconds. We can of course change it from here, or we can simply turn this option off completely by using our toggle. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.